If you're considering using Truist Mobile for managing your finances, there are a few key things you need to know before you make your decision. While it's a strong contender in the finance app world, especially when compared to other options like Chase and Wells Fargo's apps, it's important to know the full picture before making a choice. Stick around till the end to see how it stacks up. First off, Truist Mobile offers a user-friendly interface. Its clean design makes navigating your accounts easy, and it's a solid choice for those who value simplicity. But, compared to competitors like Chase, some features could feel less intuitive for certain users. It's not as flashy, but it's reliable for basic banking needs. Next, let's talk about security. Truist has solid security features, including two-factor authentication, Face ID, and fingerprint login. However, while it's safe, banks like Bank of America and Capital One have more advanced security features, like card lock, unlock options, directly from the app, which might give them a slight edge in that department. The third thing you should know is that Truist Mobile has excellent account management features. You can track your spending, set up alerts, and easily transfer funds between accounts. However, some users have reported glitches when trying to link external accounts or make transfers outside the Truist network, which could be a deal breaker if that's something you rely on. The fourth thing is bill pay. Truist does offer bill payment functionality, but it can sometimes be a little clunky. Other apps, like Chase, offer a more seamless bill pay experience with better integration to your accounts. Still, Truist's bill pay is decent if you're mostly sticking to in-network payments. Next up, customer support. Truist has a helpful customer service team, accessible through the app, but users have mentioned longer wait times during peak hours. In comparison, apps like Wells Fargo and Citibank have more robust customer service features available 24/7. The sixth point is card management. Truist offers good options for managing your debit and credit cards directly from the app, including the ability to view transaction history and set alerts for purchases. But if you need things like instant card freezes or detailed merchant insights, other apps like Capital One might offer a more comprehensive suite of tools. Now, let's talk about mobile deposits. Truist's mobile deposit feature works well, but compared to competitors, it sometimes takes a bit longer to process checks. This can be frustrating if you need access to your funds quickly, something that apps like Chase or Bank of America handle a bit faster. The eighth thing to know is their integration with other financial tools. Truist does have a decent number of integrations with tools like QuickBooks and Mint, but when compared to others, it doesn't offer as much flexibility in terms of third-party apps. Some competitors like Wells Fargo have more robust integration options. The ninth point is the rewards program. Truist offers some rewards, but they aren't as extensive as what you'd get with apps like Chase or American Express. If rewards points are a key part of your financial strategy, you might want to explore other options. The 10th thing is the Truist mobile app's reliability. Most users report it works smoothly most of the time, but there are occasional outages or slowdowns. Competitors like Wells Fargo tend to have fewer disruptions in service, which might be something to consider. Now, the 11th point, loan applications. Truist makes it easy to apply for personal loans or credit, but their process isn't as streamlined as some of the other banking apps. If you're looking for a super fast, no-hassle loan experience, you might be better off with apps like SoFi or Lending Club. Lastly, the app's overall design. While Truist is functional and easy to use, it lacks some of the advanced customization features that other apps offer. For example, Wells Fargo's app allows you to create personalized shortcuts for faster access to frequently used services, which Truist doesn't have. So, is Truist Mobile worth it? It's a solid option for most people looking to manage their finances on the go, especially if you're a customer of Truist Bank. But if you're looking for more advanced features, smoother integrations, or better rewards, you might want to explore some other apps. If you want a better option that you can try for free, check out our recommended solution in the link below.